Hi there. Welcome back to our English phonics class. In our last lesson, we learned all about the IK sound in English. Today, we'll be moving on to lesson 2, where we'll be learning all about the GAIK sound. This is another important vowel sound in English, so let's get started. The IK sound is a vowel sound that is found in many English words. It's a short and sharp sound that is made by opening your mouth wide and keeping your tongue low and flat. Your lips should be relaxed and slightly rounded when you make this sound. Now, let's look at some examples of words that contain the GAIK sound. Try to say these words along with me. Cat, hat, bat, rat, sat, dad, mat, sad. You might notice that all of these words have the letter A in them. However, not all words with the letter A make the A sound, so it's important to pay attention to the sound itself, rather than just the spelling. To make the A sound, you need to follow a few simple steps. Open your mouth wide, as if you're going to take a big bite of food. Keep your tongue low and flat, so that it's not touching the roof of your mouth. Relax your lips and keep them slightly rounded. Release the sound by quickly opening your mouth and letting the air escape. It might take a bit of practice to get the sound right, but with a bit of effort, you'll be able to pronounce the GAIK sound like a pro. If you want to improve your pronunciation of the A sound, there are some fun and easy ways to practice. One of the best ways is to read aloud from a list of words that contain the sound. You can find these lists online or ask your teacher to provide some examples. When you say each word, try to make the A sound as clearly as possible. It's also a good idea to record yourself saying words with the A sound and listen back to check your pronunciation. This can help you identify areas where you might be struggling and give you a chance to practice those words more. Learning the A sound doesn't have to be boring. There are lots of fun activities that you can do to help reinforce your understanding of the sound. For example, you could play a game where you try to find objects around your house that contain the A sound. Or you could create a story or poem using lots of words that contain the A sound. Congratulations! You've now learned all about the A sound in English. Remember, it might take a bit of practice to get the sound right, but with a bit of effort, you'll be able to pronounce it like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you learn more about the English language.